Hello! Today I'm revisiting crochet kits with Penelope the Pancake. I bought this kit on Etsy from Teeny Tiny Knits along with another kit for a different breakfast item named Terry the Toast. If you would like to see the making of Terry the Toast, you can click the link in the description. Penelope's kit contains yarn, stuffing, a 3mm crochet hook, a little package that includes white thread, another piece of yarn, a needle, a keychain ring, and a pair of safety eyes, and a set of instructions. In the last video, I shared that I made a mistake with the stitches. The instructions say to do double crochets, so I did. It turns out double crochets in the UK, which is where this kit comes from, are equivalent to single crochets in the US, which is where I'm from. So I learned from my mistake and made single crochets from the start. I think the making of the pancake itself went pretty well, just making some standard increases until I reached the full pancake size. Then I single crocheted around with the white yarn to give that authentic pancake look. Before finishing up the other side, I inserted the safety eyes and stitched the mouth. When stitching the mouth, I tried a different technique where I wrapped the yarn around the stitches after I made them. I hoped that this would make the mouth look more like a U than a V. I think it would have worked better with embroidery floss because this yarn was pretty thick and the extra layer added some unintentional bulk. After that, I finished the other side and started on the syrup. I really struggled with the slip stitches in this piece, but in the end it all came together. Now, the butter is where things just started to fall apart. In the picture on the box, the butter is a nice rectangle with neat and tidy stitches that are really tight. And my stitches were really loose, and the piece never quite came together as a rectangle. It was more of a blob. Which is fine, blobs of butter exist. But the downhill ride continued as I went to assemble and found that both the syrup and the butter were too big for Penelope's face. I could have unraveled those pieces and tried again, and indeed that's what I should have done. But I was tired, and I just wanted to finish. So I sewed it all together, thinking the finished product would magically become more than the sum of its parts. Alas, it did not, and my dear Penelope is a mess. But she's mine and I love her.